see. All right, how do you two know each other?
No is a strong word.
Las palabras fuertes son importantes. Nuestra palabra es nuestro valor, ¿no?
¡De la verga, hija de puta, que te voy a matar!
Armado, comandante.
¡Ya! ¡Ya! ¿Vamos? ¿Cerdo?
I don't take orders anymore. Even the dogs in Las Almas know not to bark at me.
She's ex-military. We served together.
Different squads, same unit. You were the wild ones. Los vaqueros. My squad was clean cut, señoras y señores.
Until the raid on the Son of la Araña. ¿Te acuerdas?
Me acuerdo perfecto.
Her team was told to cordon off the city to keep all Araña's enforcers and prevent the bloodshed.
That's exactly what we did.
Well, you kept out his enforcers because you were his enforcers, huh?
He was escorted to the mountains without incident. Also, to prevent bloodshed.
He was supposed to go to prison.
So you killed him. And you took over.
I created a power vacuum, and I filled it. Las Almas needs me.
Las Almas needs soldiers, not sicarios. Y usted? You disgrace the army. Y tus hermanos, ¿no?
Why are you doing this?
You tell me. You're the contractor, no? What you don't do, your competitors will.
You're a narco harboring a terrorist.
Terrorism is good for business. It's insurance.
What the fuck does that mean?
¡Puedes sacar la puta cabeza del culo por un segundo! ¡Puta madre, Alejandro! As long as there is a war on terror, there will be no real war on drugs. To find your so-called terrorists and your missiles, you need me. To prevent bloodshed.
No, I'm not doing this. Doesn't change anything.
It changes everything! Fuck! Don't make a deal with her. Won't end well.
Looks like it's your turn to tell the truth.
I want the missiles, I want the target, and I want Hassan. And you've got 10 seconds, or I'm gonna show you the difference between the military and me. I don't know the targets. I'm a courier. I move things. I can tell you where to find the missiles. When you return, I'll tell you where Hassan is. In exchange, you will let me go and get the fuck out of Las Almas. Se me largan ya.
Deal. Until then, you're staying right here.
Coordinates obtained through interrogation confirm an oil rig 400 nautical miles offshore in the Gulf of Mexico. The rig is no longer active and is currently in use by the cartel as a smuggling dead drop. A cargo ship is anchored 500 meters to its northwest. Surveillance saw personnel moving a large container from the ship to the rig. That container is now on top of the platform. We believe this is the missile. TF-141, Colonel Vargas and Shadow Company will infill 3 boat teams for a simultaneous takedown of both targets. Ghost will lead the ship assault team. Graves, Soap, and Alejandro will engage the oil rig and disarm the missile. All shooters will give no quarter. Your orders are to eliminate all threats.
Eyes on the rig!
Alright, that's our target! Shadows 1 and 2! Push to your hook points! Let's invite ourselves in!
All station shipping visual.
Copy! Press for assault, stay on top! Valeria told the truth! We board, clear, disarm that missile!
And this is lying?
God help me!
God help us all! Be ready for anything! This could be a trap!
Actual, we're set.
Copy, get to work.
Good hook. At him.
Shadows, the missile is on this platform. I want full containment.
So, cut right clear through.
Room clear. Coming out.
Rog. Shadow 1 moving to the southeast stairwell. Squatters, right side! All clear. Two above.
Clear.
Balcony door locked up.
We're moving to the main deck. What's your status?
Holding the ship with Shadow 3 now.
Roger that. Man down! Rush out! We check everyone is nowhere here.
We need to move fast. Shadows, force out. I want eyes on that container now. Two copies, moving.
We gotta roll.
Shadow 1, Ghost. Visual on flares coming from the rig. What's the status, over?
Ghost, they're signaling the ship. They're gonna launch that missile.
First stage, there's no time. All shadows, missiles on the helipad.
Those force out. I want eyes on that container now. Copy, moving.
We gotta roll.
Shadow 1, Ghost. Visual on flares coming from the rig. What's the status, over?
Ghost, they're signaling the ship. They're gonna launch that missile.
It's first stage, there's no time. All shadows, missiles on the helipad.
Move to the helipad, Sergeant.
Shit!
So, hit the stairs, flank them.
Clear.
Get topside, move!
Actual, this is Shadow 1. Rig is secure. Moving on the container now.
Roger that. Confirm when the objective is neutralized.
Where are the controls?
On that damn ship. Actual, we got a problem. Missile is armed. Controls are somewhere on the ship.
You have your orders, son. Stop that launch.
Alejandro, take overwatch. So if you're with me, we're moving to that ship.
I'll keep you covered, Atlanta. Station, visual on the missile controls. Say again, missile controls are on the bridge.
Copy that. Let's go, let's move out. Go! This is Zero 1, back in the water, inbound, to your position.
Solid copy, we're taking effective fire. The LZ will be off.
Roger that. Once we're on deck, push to the bridge. Fast! Secure those controls. Stop this vessel. Yeah! Sam! How do we board? Take the rail! Hold tight, Sergeant! Let's have ourselves a gunfight!
Containers are the only cover we have!
Maintain overwatch from the rig. We're forcing up. Okay, let's move out.
Containers are the only cover we have!
Keep up, wait. Recruit on the bridge. Contact. Entry on the third. We have to get to that door. Force it out.
Entry done! Watch the containers!
Controls are internal. All right, stand back! Shadow 1 going explosive on bridge entry. 3, 2, 1, execute! Shadow, move on the bridge! Go, 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 go!
Take point, Sergeant. Move in, Sergeant. Keep us moving, Sergeant. Next room.
Secure.
All clear.
Move.
Bridge is 2 floors up, yeah?
Affirmative.
Next hallway, so let's roll.
Moving to second deck.
Contact! Take that hallway, Sergeant, and flank them!
Watch where you're shooting!
Let's go. Room clear. Clear. Hallway clear. Grenade!
Cheeky bastards.
Hit the stairs. Victor 1, we're moving to the bridge now. Hold your fire, Alejandro.
Copy. You've got 4 AQ inside.
Raj, stand by.
Clear.
Let's get in there. All right, eyes on the controls. Tapping in.
Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Fuck. We can't disarm it.
Why?
It's too late.
There's no report code?
Yeah, well, that window's closed on that, boys. Gold Eagle Actual, this is Shadow 1, missiles in boost phase, about to burn. How copy?
Solid, Shadow. We can't disarm, then we detonate.
Roger that, Actual, standby. Soap, get on the controls. We're gonna have to do this together. Now, the clock is ticking, so we gotta move, brother, all right?
I'm in.
Actual, we're on the con. What's the order?
Input the DAL code and let the payload strike.
What's the DAL code?
Detonate after launch.
We're gonna take out the oil rig with the missile.
Alejandro's back there with the shadows. All stations, clear the rig now. I say again, clear the rig.
Roger, what's the count?
1 minute.
Copy, on the move.
All right, Soap, get on the controls. We need it in diagnostic mode so I can bypass the login. Soap, hit the clear and mode keys at the same time.
Done. Wait, what's happening?
A little techno wizardry.
Okay. Now I need the last digit on row 2, column 1.
It's Al, Lima.
Negative. Row 2, column 1. Check again.
Zero.
Negative. Look on row 2, column 1.
It's Lima.
Negative. Check again.
8.
Negative. Look on row 2, column 1.
Graves, it's launching!
We didn't confirm the new target. It's gonna strike New Orleans.
Done. Wait, what's happening?
A little techno wizardry.
Okay. Now I need the last digit on row 2, column 1.
It's C, Charlie.
Perfecto.
It's headed for New Orleans.
Not anymore.
Target updated. Hit execute, we're set. Let's enjoy our handiwork, Sergeant. Here we go. All stations, prepare for the boom.
Saw it away.
Look at that big
safe?
Affirmative. You?
We're good here, hermano.
Gold Eagle actual, Shadow 1. Good hit. Good hit. Missile and rig destroyed.
Copy that, Shadow 1. Good work. Now get off that X and go home. So, Ghost, thanks for a job well done.
Roger that, actual. We're RTB, men.